Hello! What are you doing there?
I am taking rest under this tree, sir.
What brings you here?
I am in morning walk, sir. Suddenly I felt a bit tiredness, that's why I am taking rest, sir.
Oh. Well. Are you okay now?
Yes, sir, I am quite fine and refreshed now.
Okay, come here. Let's go to the park to have some more refreshment amidst the natural beauties.
Just wait, sir. I am coming.
Be quick. Getting time. We shall have to return home soon. So, don't waste time.
Okay, sir. Just getting there.
Nita, be seated on the bench. Take rest for a while.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Anita, how long have you been practicing such morning walk?
Since I started my higher secondary classes, sir. Near about for last 2 years.
Really a good habit. We hardly get time to do so. You are managing yourself very well. Doing better. It's good for body as well as mind. Morning walks revitalizes our energy and strength.
Well, sir. Exactly right, sir. Since last 2 years I am feeling completely energetic. Don't you do so, sir?
Of course, but occasionally. I hardly get time. But now I have decided to keep doing so henceforward.
Then, we both would do so in company. From tomorrow, let's start our morning walk together, sir.
Okay, let me know when to start our walk.
By 6 in the early morning, sir.
Okay, I will keep myself ready. Sunita, it's time. Let's go home.
Okay, sir. Thank you. We shall be walking along by this time tomorrow. Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye, Anita. See you soon. Call me tomorrow, before you start your morning walk. Don't forget this.
Sure, sir.
Bye.
Goodbye, sir.
Dear students and viewers, I hope this video would be very useful to understand and improve your spoken English fluency. The two characters of this video are sharing their views through spoken English sentences. Watch this video minutely and attentively. Stress on the words they are using to express their views and feelings, and try to practice such sentences with your friends. Hope this video will be helpful in developing your fluency in English. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it, click the bell icon and touch the all option for quick notification of my new videos. Comment your queries, share with your friends. Put your valuable likes for my encouragement and inspiration. Thank you very much for your complete watch of this video. Let's close this video here. See you in my next upcoming video soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.